Samsung TV no sound. Your Samsung TV has a perfect picture, everything looks completely fine, but there is total silence. No matter what button you press, nothing works. Before you panic or call anyone, watch this first. We have 7 fixes, starting easy and ending with the one that solves it for most people. Number 7. The TV is muted or the volume is on another device. This catches more people than you would ever expect, and it is sneakier than it sounds. Your Samsung TV can be muted without the mute icon showing on screen. Press mute once, then press volume up to confirm. But here is what most people completely miss. If you have a cable box, soundbar, or streaming stick connected, that device has its own separate volume that your TV remote may not control. You could be cranking the TV volume up and nothing would happen because the sound is stuck at 0 on your connected device. Check each device and raise its volume individually. Number 6. The sound is going to the wrong place. This is the #1 cause of sudden silence after connecting a new device or after a software update. Your Samsung TV has a setting called Sound Output, and it controls exactly where the audio goes. If it is set to Bluetooth speaker or receiver, your TV sends all sound to that device, and your built-in speakers go completely silent. You get a perfect picture and nothing else. Go to Settings, then Sound Output, and make sure it says TV speaker. That one setting causes more silent Samsung screens than anything else on this list. Number 5. A Bluetooth device is stealing your sound. Here is one almost no guide ever mentions, and it causes complete silence in a way that makes 0 sense. If you ever paired your Samsung TV with Bluetooth headphones or a wireless speaker, and that device is still powered on somewhere in your home, your TV will automatically reconnect to it at startup. Every bit of sound goes to those headphones, while your TV sits perfectly quiet. Go to Settings, then Sound Output. If you see a Bluetooth device listed as active, disconnect it and switch back to TV speaker. This fixes it instantly and surprises people every time. Number 4. The audio format setting is causing silence. Samsung TVs have a setting called Digital Output Audio Format, and most people have never seen it. By default, it is set to Auto or Dolby Digital. When your speakers cannot handle that format, the result is not bad audio. It is total silence. The TV tries to send a signal your speakers cannot read, so they produce nothing at all. Go to Settings, then Sound, then Expert Settings, then Digital Output Audio Format, and switch it to PCM. PCM is the simplest and most compatible format and works with everything. Thousands of owners have fixed sudden silence with just this one change. Number 3. Run the built-in sound test. Samsung puts a sound test directly inside every smart TV, and it is the fastest way to figure out where the problem actually is. Go to Settings, then Support, then Device Care, then Self-Diagnosis, then Sound Test. The TV plays audio straight through its own speakers. If you hear it clearly, your TV speakers are working, and the problem is in your settings or a connected device. If you hear nothing at all, the problem is inside the TV itself. This test tells you exactly where to look and stops you wasting time on the wrong fixes. Number 2. Soft reset the TV. Samsung firmware updates, especially ones that push automatically overnight, have a known history of breaking audio on Samsung TVs. Community forum reports show users waking up to complete silence with no explanation. A soft reset almost always fixes it. Hold the power button on your remote for 10 seconds until the TV reboots. This clears short-term memory and reloads audio from scratch. If sound returns, immediately go to Settings, then Sound, then Expert Settings, then Reset Sound. That locks your audio back to a clean state so the glitch does not come back. Number 1. Full power reset and sound reset. Unplug your Samsung TV from the wall completely. Not stand by, fully unplug it. Wait 60 seconds, plug it back in, and let it boot. Go to Settings, then Sound, then Expert Settings, and choose Reset Sound. Enter your PIN. The default is 0000. This wipes every audio setting back to factory defaults in one move. After the reset, go to Sound Output and set it to TV speaker. Then go to Digital Output Audio Format and set it to PCM. Samsung's own support documentation points to this exact combination. And done in this order, it resolves no sound issues for the overwhelming majority of people.